Welcome to our channel. Enabling two-factor authentication on Etsy adds an important security layer to your account. Here's a quick guide to set it up with accessibility in mind. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account by visiting etsy.com. Click on Sign In and enter your email address and password. Step 2. Click on your account icon in the top right corner of the page. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In the Account Settings page, look for the Security tab on the left sidebar. Click on it to access security options. Step 4. Find the Two-Factor Authentication section. This feature requires you to provide two forms of identification when logging in. Step 5. Click Enable or Set up Two-Factor Authentication to begin the configuration process. Etsy will guide you through the setup steps. Step 6. Choose your preferred authentication method. Options typically include text message verification, Authenticator app, or backup codes for accessibility. Step 7. If using text messages, enter your mobile phone number and verify it by entering the code sent via SMS. Make sure you have reliable phone access. Step 8. For Authenticator apps, download an app like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. Scan the QR code displayed on Etsy with the app. Step 9. Important for accessibility. Generate and save backup codes. These codes allow you to access your account if you can't use your primary authentication method. Step 10. Store backup codes in a secure, accessible location, such as a password manager or secure note-taking app. Test your two-factor authentication by logging out and back in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.